Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy G5 with another application, and we talk about Smart Switch software. This is an official Samsung software, and you'll see that it is very easy, and just follow my steps. So first you need to download and install the Smart Switch software, and after you install it you must open it and connect your phone to your software with a micro USB data cable. And just wait until the drivers are installed. And before you do the update, you can back up your phone and then you can restore it. It is very easy. So to do the update, click on More, and we have here Emergency Software Recovery and Initialization. Click on this option and click on Device Initialization and read carefully. All settings will be initialized and storage data will be permanently deleted. Do you want to proceed? Click OK. And again we have a warning: remove your Google account to disable device protection features. Okay, click OK, and now click again on OK. Let's read. Okay, a rooted device may cause update to fail. Okay, just click OK. Data backup, you can create now a backup. I will click on skip backup, and now just wait. Now I'm back. The update is complete. Just click OK and disconnect and reconnect the cable. Okay, let's click OK. And now you can do the initial setup. Just click on the arrow and click next. And the setup is complete, and here is my phone after the update is complete. Okay, so you can use this method to update your phone if you have some problems with your phone, and as you can see, it is very easy. So thank you for watching this tutorial.